na branch friend William Saliba so issue about it all. William Saliba extending the contract in former Arsenal. William Saliba say we train kakra we dream you maybe kakra. But abu ni titi yemuni na na say Paris Saint-Germain offer a branch friend William Saliba 15 million euros a year. So onya Arsenal ho no mesi akan fa mo. Omuji tumi say no di Mukwele na me say kai aye de aba. Say so ma move Danilo e de na ba chire. So on as a centre back. Sergio Ramos AAG, they need a young and energetic centre back to pair with a Abrante friend Marquinhos. It's Abrante way so a French. Baby Onini, baby free buy. So they feel they can convince him with the PSG project just like they did with Mbappe. Na Omra, no Messia kind and Famomo. Ici c'est Paris. Na Abrante no, and be present to mo. But Abrante nankasa tell us no deep converse so here chilena. Oh, they Arsenal qualify for Champions League. Oh, the project under Mikel Arteta, they are closer to winning the trophy. It is definitely Otna. Now say be ordinary 10 million euros no bet me aboa. The secret to Saliba staying, it is not about Arsenal as a club, but it is Mikel Arteta who have transformed Abrante way Abrabo. Anyhow, I was talking about France or Mujini Tumbo there. But Paris Saint-Germain is using money, they are using a lucrative offer. But Mikel Arteta is making sure Babu as it stands. Saliba and Ankasa there, or a 80% tone in renewing his contract at Arsenal. Say obetimi esiakan ediamomu. He believes in prestige. He believes Arsenal is a historical club and obetimi in your mama no. Only if say Paris Saint-Germain be a 15 no mas out to and them is always can no when home dia obetimi assistance the branch and decide say obetna na wabodi Arsenal. Tima your friend or Arsenal pa branch friend fresh nether. Omakwa kodi di nkomo bebre ba branch no omo pe no mo tonu wi ompese omo load in the back. Now osi akan na Abu Dhabi we branch na nkasa ne form ne nyoma a wo ye na beji to be say Arsenal presenting about 15 million euros no betimi secure the deal then they loan him back but ena no pay komododo na ekoso na ya branch friend Declan Rice Abu Dhabi Arsenal any a branch papa di komodo chire papa
Declan Rice
yes
rather we don't bomb a kan yesu oh we bad there na there
Arsenal say on papa na manage no
yes
I'm a papa ni Arsenal let's hear din komo and there has been a personal conversation between Declan Rice and Mikel Arteta ana Mikel Arteta aka che ne say Thomas Partey body e jogino ag me do ba una ba be the pivot of your team no Partey ni dey him say be rotating number 2 any 8 oh baby but who dey oba na be see aka ni ma una say ni ya dey ana ba be Arsenal na boso besides London na we see aka London ya ma wo free because West Ham London Kronum come so say boy my UEFA Champions League. Boso a national team so obogu so abo. Show mate obi abo Champions League nko wode. Iti ahana Arsenal dia convince boy na ma boy na nkasa te asia fam so obetima kwakosi akan dia momo. Na no na Abu Dhabi West Ham tena city na West Ham say no. Oh ye ntimi nto 100 million pounds. Arsenal mo 120 million pounds am famra. 120 million pounds. Abu 120 million pounds they declare Rice in deserve says cano. Now I don't know Abu Dhabi 120 million pounds no mudi come on na Manchester United so abo Manchester United koya almost Declan Rice yeah to wan kase wadan for power ne nam Messi Mount ya sure ni Messi Mount ba be piem Manchester United e betimi aboa odwen wo say and almost akọ West Ham go catch West Ham say West Ham ani Harry Maguire in the shape of David Moyes. So Manchester United wants to add Harry Maguire and this car. No more akwa kopiem West Ham no ma catch West Ham say munye we ya the 60 million pounds and the 70 million pounds account mo for Declan Rice nye dey emaye. It is here Declan Rice papa no or torn between two things because sisi an or chairman Manchester United so no West Ham e di nkomo ahwe. Na omo ankasa his come of Declan Rice amana ba besi akan dia momo. Manchester United is ready to pay 250,000 pounds a week for Declan Rice. Arsenal Etrian I 180,000 pounds a week. Sani Gina say, Anna West Ham so no deal ebe ko ye dia mo na be mo ja branch. This boy does not want to leave West Ham as a villain. Manchester United offer Harry Maguire plus money for Declan Rice. And omo de ade enticing you say, you better Messi Mount so the number wadan for pa. Just to entice them. And when Arsenal so the project and entice no. Arsenal man 180,000 pounds. Arsenal so person mo try say. Sa 120 million they 8 million be try 100 million no so this chichem.
They aba.
Yeah, they aba.
They no so almost pese play account.
It is here papa no team fifi. Ana papa no almost ye mo mbere kakra. but after the Europa Conference League, you know, Declan Rice and then the papa, a clear direction of where they've chosen. So mbeti me movie akwa kosi akan na no na Abu Dhabi Harry Maguire there em say West Ham for near bridge Abu Moises Caicedo there em say baby agina no Chelsea ani abre so person mo fa Moises Caicedo e de ka Ugarte Chelsea e offer 3 million euros a year Abu 3 million euros a year bema uchiche madam is be 40,000 pounds a week no Abu Ugarte PSG so Abrante Nembeje 10 million euros a year. Abu, tiwa 10 million euros, 3 million euros. It's a much Chelsea super so we put the attention of getting Moises Caicedo. So I be see a kind of bomunya any official thing. But Abu, me do see her. I say Liverpool there. Ope kefra tuam ne manu koni. Umpeso betua. Leipzig ba player who are 45 50 some person the buy back soon.